Okay, so here we are on declutter number 3. This is going to be the drugstore lip product drawer. So this is going to be a hard one too, but let's do it. All right, so this is what we're working with, guys. I've got NYX and Wet n Wild. Then I've got Revlon and Milani and some Sleek and some Jordana. And then I have L'Oreal and Maybelline.
I'm going to just go by brands and sections because these are already sectioned off. I would like to get rid of this small one altogether, so let's see if we can do it. Or a big one, but I know that this isn't going to happen, so let's just get started.
Okay, like usual, I have a keep pile, a throwaway pile, and a giveaway pile. I'm going to start by something that I already know I'm going to get rid of, and it is this color right here in this Super Stay ink. This is too pink for me, but I love this formula. I'm going to keep these other two. These are in the color Seductress and Poet. So this is one of the color jolts in the color Stripped Down. I love these. These are like the Too Faced melted lipsticks. I do want to get more use out of this. I loved this when I first got it, and I have no idea why I stopped using it.
I'm also going to keep these two Vivid Matte liquids. I love these. These are gorgeous, gorgeous formula, so I'm going to keep those. I've been up and down with the Vivid Hot Lacquers. These are just, I like sticky, but these are really, really sticky and really heavy. I'm going to pass both of those on. Now I've got the Maybelline Matte lipsticks. These are really, really good, but I don't think I need all of these.
So the top one is Peach Buff. The second one down is Purely Nude. The third one down is Beige Babe, and the fourth one at the bottom is Hot Sand. I am going to keep the two middle ones, so I'm going to keep Purely Nude and Beige Babe, and I'm going to get rid of the top and the bottom. The bottom is just too orangey yellow, and the top is just too pink. Okay, so the next group are the L'Oreal products. I already know I'm keeping all of my Shine lipsticks. These are newer that came out this last year. These are gorgeous. Here are the swatches of the L'Oreal lipsticks. So the first one on the top left is the color Sparkling Rose. It's gorgeous. Followed by that purplish one in Vanished Rosewood. Then we have one of my favorites, which is Shining Peach. That kind of a nude, really pink one there in the middle. Followed by Glossy Fawn, which is a favorite. And then you've got the three new Shine ones. The first one is called Beige in the City. It's the top right. That and Glossy Fawn look really similar. Okay. Then the top one there on the bottom is called Still the Shine. Very beigey. And then the bottom one is Topless, which is literally one of my favorites. So that is those colors there. This is a newer product by L'Oreal that I'm still trying out. I'm going to keep that. This is the Infallible Pro Matte lipstick in what is this? Nudist. I'm not sure about these three. And then these are the Infallible paints. This is the matte, and then this is the just regular glossy. I'm gonna swatch these and see what I think. It's been a while since I've reached for these.
Okay, so out of these three, I'm going to keep the top one, I'm going to keep this one, and I'm actually going to throw these two away because they're just kind of really gross looking, so throw those away and keep this one.
Okay, so now on for one of the bigger baskets. I'm going to just go down the row here, and I'm going to pick out things I already know that I don't use that I'm going to get rid of. I'm going to get rid of this darker color here, Devotion. I'm going to get rid of this pink in this Revlon. I'm going to get rid of this white from this Jordana lip cream because I don't use it. Okay, now. Can you tell the color? This seems really dark. What is this? This is the color HD Forever. Okay, I'm just gonna go through and see. I really like this Pixie one, so I know I'm keeping that. And see, these are darker. I like the formula of these. Not sure. I'm gonna swatch these two and see what I think.
Okay, so the top one there is the Revlon HD Lipstick in Desert, and then the bottom one is the Revlon Devotion. I'm keeping the Revlon one, and I'm going to get rid of this one. I like the formula, but that's almost too reddish. I don't know. I'm just going to get rid of it because I'm unsure.
I'm going to keep all three of these Jordana cream lipsticks because these are so nice and so beautiful. Are all really good. This one, no, this one is my actual favorite one, and it's in Seduction. And then this is the metallic one. It's really pretty too, so I'm gonna keep those. I love these Revlon, this formula. I love it a ton. Now on for these, I do know I'm gonna keep this sleek one in Daydreamer because it's gorgeous. And these are the e.l.f. liquid matte lipsticks, Blushing Rose, and I think this one's Tea Rose. So I'm gonna swatch these three and see what I think about these, if I'm gonna keep these or not. Okay, so starting with that third one down, the darkest one, the Velvet Slipper in the Major Matte, I'm gonna get rid of that because I don't wear those colors. And then the bottom one there is Tea Rose, and what was this one again? Blushing Rose. These are a lot more watery than I thought, and I remember buying them to try them out, and I don't think I'm gonna wear them. I don't think I like the formula. Okay, this is my Milani lip collection. These are some of my favorite drugstore lip products out there. I already know this is the gloss in Bare Secret. I'm keeping this because this is one of my absolute favorites. These are newer. I get a lot of views out of this. This is the Plumping Keep It Full Plumping Gloss. I love this. This is in the color Champagne. These are the new Amore Shine liquid lip colors. These are gorgeous. These are the metallics right here. Let's see, this is in the color Dulce. I'm keeping this because it's actually really pretty. And this is in the color Chromatic Addict. Yeah, keeping that. I'm going to get rid of these two darker colors because I don't wear them. And this one actually looks like it's starting to separate. I'm going to actually throw that one away. And this one looks fine. I'm going to pass this on. Somebody might like that. These are their regular Amore matte lip creams. These are really gorgeous and just so good. Are these the same color? No, are they? Oh my god, I hope not. Beloved and Loved. They're not actually. They look almost the same. But yeah, these are my 3 favorites, 4 favorites. Yeah, so those are staying.
So these are ColourPop liquid matte liquid satin lip products. And I'm not like obsessed with the ultra matte formula. That is gross. You can see that's starting to, that's going right to the trash pile. Let's see, I know I have some ultra satins. That's an ultra satin. The ultra satin is nice. It's ultra matte. Ultra matte. Do I only have one ultra satin? Ultra satin and ultra satin. So these are the ultra satins, these are ultra mattes. This one is midi and it's starting to separate as well. That's going in the bin. This is Echo Park. This is Screenshot and this is Magic Wand. I do like these and I am going to keep these because these are really nice. Let's see, this is Speed Dial, Alpine Mode, Airplane Mode, Whoops, Instigator, and Times Square. I'm going to keep Times Square because I do really like that color. I don't know about these 3. Maybe this one. These 2 though, I don't know.
Alright, so the one on the top is Instigator and the one on the bottom is Speed Dial. These are actually really pretty. Actually, you know what? Nope. I'm gonna get rid of speed dial, gift that away. So I'm keeping 3 satins and 3 mattes. Keeping 6 out of 9. Okay, this is my Wet n Wild lip product collection. I already know off the bat I'm keeping all of these. These are the new liquid catsuit. What exactly are they called? Liquid catsuit high shine lipsticks. You guys, these are awesome. Keeping those, and I already know I'm going to keep, I believe, yep, there she is, Rebel Rose and the regular matte lipstick. I'm gonna keep these two. This is Veridol and Mochalicious because those are amazing. I'm gonna pass this on. It's nice, but the color isn't something that I really reach for, and that's kind of close to it, and I prefer this formula over this one. That's gonna go away. This is one of their new lipsticks. I really can't read this. Perfect Pout. I tried this once or twice and it was really dry, but these were only like $1. So I'm gonna keep trying it out actually. Then I've got these guys. This is the color Nudist Peach, and this is the color Give Me Mocha. And then I've got Satin Sheets. I'm gonna swatch these guys and see what I think. Okay, I already know, and I always keep these because these are so nice. These are beautiful lipstick toppers. I'm keeping all 3 of those. Those are the 3 on the right. They're not really metallic, and they've got a little bit of metallic, but they're more like shiny. Oh, they're so gorgeous. And I'm gonna get rid of this Nudist Peach color. And I think I'm gonna keep this color here. And let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and keep this one too because those are gorgeous. So there are those 3 colors. These are really nice, really pretty. Keeping those. Blush, and then Pink Blink, and Be My Baby. Alright guys, this is it. This is the last of my drugstore lip products, and it is my large NYX collection. Off the bat, I already know I'm keeping all of my butter glosses. Those aren't going anywhere. I love those. I think I'm gonna get rid of these 2. I saved these guys last time, but I don't wear these. Too dark and too pink. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch my lip creams real quick because I think that there's 1 or 2 that I do want to get rid of. Okay, so top to bottom, we have the color Cans, which I'm gonna keep, followed by Athens, which I'm gonna get rid of because it's just a little too orange. And then I've got the color Stockholm, which I'm gonna keep, which is the middle one, followed by London, which I'm going to keep. It's brownie, but I could really mix some gloss over it or whatever, or make it work. And then I have the color Istanbul, which I'm going to get rid of. Now on for the last batch, which is the lingerie lip products. Alright, we have a whole lot of nudes, so I am going to get rid of this one, which is the pinky one, the 3rd from the top. It is in the color Silk Indulgent. I'm just not gonna wear that color. And then I'm gonna get rid of this one, which is Cashmere Silk. It's just really dark. Get rid of that one, and I'm gonna keep all of the others. Trash pile and rehome pile.